Hey guys, we're staying in bed because it's about to rain.
Yeah, and it's gonna get cold. See, as you can see, see,
Hurry, get
it's
under.
about to storm.
Getting under. Cold.
There is Blade
Hey guys,
and me.
you're Jaden the Jigster. Okay, you're Jaden. Okay, Seth, can you go away?
No.
We're making a video.
Let's go somewhere else.
No, let's stay in the bed. It's okay.
Okay.
What are we doing today, Jaden?
Can you just shush?
No.
We're trying to do something.
Yeah.
We'll do it after, I promise.
Here, you want me to cut this one and make a new one?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Our brother does not listen.
Yeah, he's a butt sometimes, but he's really fun.
He's an
He's an ant.
Whoa, a little too close.
No, I was gonna hug you.
No, you weren't.
He was gonna
Here, say hi to vlog.
Hi.
Say hi to vloggers.
Hi, vloggers.
Say share the love.
Share the love.
Boom.
share the love.
Good stuff.
Share the love.
Boom. Share the love. Stay awesome and share the love. Oh yeah, shout out to Steven Cher.
Yeah.
He is the best guy in the world.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to Carter Cher, Lizzie Cher, and Otter and Millie Cher.
Oh, frick. Shout out to Papa Jake.
Yeah, Papa J. Shout out to Logan.
Shout out to Logan. Shout out to Dan TDM.
Yeah.
Let's
Shout
get.
out to Jake Paul.
No, not really, but yeah. Shout out to Jake Paul.
Logan
Shout out to Logan Paul. I'm not really a Pauler, but it's okay.
Logan Paul.
Shout out to the Dobre.
Hi,
twins.
Mr. Claus. It's me, Logan Paul.
Shout out to the Dobre twins.
Alien.
Alien.
Marcus and Marcus. Shout out to them. They're the best men in the world.
Guys, let's get in bed. It's gonna rain.
Lucas and Marcus, I love you
Get
guys.
in bed.
If you watch this video, please like and subscribe. And leave the post notifications down below.
And stay awesome. Stay
Hold on.
awesome and share love.
Hold on, we didn't do nothing. We just talked for 2 minutes.
Stay
Yo, hey,
stay awesome. Share the love, and we will get back to you.
Yo, dude, we only talked.
Peace.